said she's scared of me. I mean, I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne.
You up.
Words fall out of my mouth, they drift to the ground and they don't make a sound. I try to sample them back to the place in my head where I feel that I lie. The proper speak that I need to narrate the scene, to tell you these things. The proper place for my thoughts, I know that I'm not, you know that I'm not.
But a wolf in sheep's clothing is more than a warning. I'm aware, the soul is now divine. We cast in our toe, even broken chains. So don't tow with us like he did to our shining stars. So prepare for revenge over a whole new creature from the darkest side. You gotta take a say the pain we feel, created as monsters that come to life. Come back to life.
My friends don't walk, they run. Skinny dipping rabbit holes for fun. Popping balloons with guns. Getting high off helium. We paint white roses red. Each shade from a different person said this dream is a killer. Getting drunk with a blue caterpillar.